Well, TikTok is about to be snatched away from us, and I have had a wonderful time talking about the amazing species of animals that we share the earth with, especially their parasites. Speaking of which, I don't feel right leaving without talking about one more parasite, and I saved the weirdest for last. These are the orthonectids, a microscopic marine parasite that infect a variety of different hosts, including flatworms, polychaete worms, and echinoderms, such as sea stars, sea urchins, sea cucumbers, those guys. There are a few different species of this parasite, and the females being much larger than the males typically. Now, before I get into their life cycle, I want you to remember that these are animals. These are animals doing this. First, the larvae are born and are pelagic within the water column where they must find their host. In this case, in this diagram, it's a flatworm. Now here's where it gets weird. Once in the host, the larvae start to break down and then combine with each other into a single mass sheet of cells with multiple nuclei. This sheet of cells is called a plasmodium. Plasmodium is also the genus of the protozoan that causes malaria. This is a different plasmodium. And then when it's time to reproduce, cells will start to clump with each other, forming the adults that then exit the host. The adults are then back in the water column, mating, starting the cycle all over again. They are so bizarre. And with that, thank you everyone that has followed me along with my content. I did not think I was going to gain as much as a following as I am here. Some people still consider like 20,000 followers like nobody's on TikTok, but to me that's a massive following, and I appreciate every single one of you. And with that, always remember that every species is beautiful, even the repulsive ones, and we should do what we can to keep as many of them with us on this planet. And always love your parasites.